11 o'clock. That's where we stayed. Night 6. So this will be the end of the Arizona BDR series. I had to go home early, not finish it all because of weather, time constraints. Looks like another beautiful day. So here we are, leaving camp. Today's a special day. Tim told me that this is the first spot he camped when he left on his 8-month trip to do all the national parks for his YouTube channel, 40 Times Around. If you haven't checked that out, living under a rock maybe, but I'll leave a link above in a card. You gotta check his channel out. It is awesome. But it was very cool to be able to share his full circle, like where he camped his first night, and 8 months later I got to be there when he came back. So it was very cool. So as we leave camp, we have to hit the pavement for a little bit. And I was just awestruck at the beautiful blue sky. Also saw a few other bikes, which pretty much this day is the only day we saw any other bikes. It was just us in the cold. The colors of this day, the sky with the clouds and the beautiful blue and the green and brown with the mountains just breaking up the landscape, were just breathtaking. So incredible. Look at this view, baby. This day was awesome. The terrain was a lot more challenging, which was really cool. I like that. And then, in true backcountry discovery route fashion, After a little challenge, there's a reward. Look at the leaves changing, all the colors. It's just such a beautiful trail here. Nice job. Anybody ever gives you no off-road cred, I'll tell them for you.
Thanks.
That was impressive, bro.
Yeah. So that hill we just came down, that's where I got stuck going up.
Oh, I can see that.
And I couldn't get up this hill either. So I was stuck down in this valley for like a night, dude. Freaking out, like, what am I gonna do? I didn't have a spot or anything. So I had to unload everything and hike it up that hill. And even still, I dropped the bike like 3 times trying to get up there with a night.
So you unloaded it and then made it up?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you didn't just camp. It's a great spot, bro.
I did camp.
Did you?
Oh yeah, I camped one night and then I was like, I don't have enough supplies to live down here.
That was awesome. I got to send a video chat to Chappie with Tim and say hello to Chappie. You should check his channel out. He has a YouTube channel, Ride On 2.
Hey, what's up, Chappie? How you doing, buddy?
Hey, Chappie. Hope you're having fun, staying warm.
Have a good one.
Take care. Into the weather. Just said hi to Chappie with Tim. That was cool. And then I was going to meet Chris, a viewer that said that Tim and I inspired him to go do the Valley of the Gods from our videos and Moki Dugway in Utah. I was really looking forward to meeting up with Chris. And again, unfortunately, the weather, time constraints, and financial constraints, we were not able to. However, we did get to have this video chat, and I thought I would share it with you just because it was one of the coolest moments that I got to have on the Arizona trip. Well, Chris, looks like I'm heading home. So, apologize, but I'll send you a message. But I got a message from somebody else.
Hey buddy, how you doing? See you at some point, but not this time.
It's my fault, I ran out of cash. Anyway, thought I'd just send you a message. Thanks, we'll talk to you soon.
Hey guys, hey, I totally get it. Definitely would have loved to seen you. Would have been the highlight of all my travels and whatnot. But I get it. It's been a long road. It's cold. I cannot blame you for making a choice to call it and beat this thing. Kudos to you guys, really, because I don't even like walking outside right now, let alone what you're trying to do in a motorcycle normal air. So, want you to know, Tim, I got your hat. Wish I could hook up. We will make it another time for sure. That's what our community does. And I just wish you safe travels for the rest of your trip. And we will be in touch. Cody, look forward to chatting with you later. And again, just be safe, stay warm, and catch you later. Bye-bye.
Okay, so day 11 on the way home. GPS says an hour and 18 minutes, but it's going to be longer than that. But as you can see, welcome back to Utah. I'm up in a canyon, and it is 15 degrees here.
I'm a traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Kenya. They treat me like a son anywhere I go, and even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own. I have learned that no one else can carry this load. It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board. Oh, there is beauty to enjoy on this road. But even so, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own.
So thanks for tuning in. Get out and join the adventure. Oh, ah, Keiko. Are you down with the grogginess? Well, Keiko will help you get your ass out of bed.